Hi students, let's go to second set of problems where we have to find the values of this expression. So individually we have to find the values of each of these trigonometric functions and then solve the entire expression. So we'll take one by one. Tan inverse of 1. So tan 45 is 1. Therefore tan inverse of 1 is going to be 45 or pi by 4. So we can directly write pi by 4. Now cos inverse of minus half. Notice it's negative value and cos cannot have negative values, right? Because the range is between 0 to pi. So we'll say y is equal to cos inverse of minus half, which means cos y is equal to minus half, that is minus half. So half is nothing but cos 60, right? Cos 60 is half, that is nothing but pi by 3. But you have negative value, so what we will do, we'll put pi minus pi by 3. We'll subtract it from 180 degrees. So you'll get y is equal to pi minus pi by 3, which is nothing but, take the LCM, so you'll get 3 pi minus pi by 3, which is 2 pi by 3. So we'll write 2 pi by 3 here. Now what is sine inverse of minus half? Same thing, let's do this. Y is equal to sine inverse of minus half, which means sine y is equal to minus half, and sine 30 degrees is half, right? You need minus half, right? So what is 30 degrees? It's pi by 6. You should put minus here because there's minus here. So minus pi by 6 is the answer here. So this is going to be minus pi by 6. Now we'll find the LCM of all these numbers, 4, 3 and 6. LCM of 4, 3 and 6. 12, right? 12. This will go 3 times. This will go 4 times. And this will go 2 times, right? So 4 3s is 12. 3 4s is 12. 6 2s is 12, right? So it's going to be 3 pi plus 2 pi into 4, 8 pi, minus pi into 2 is minus 2 pi. So this is going to be 9 pi by 12. This is nothing but 3 3s are, 3 4s are. So I'll get 3 pi by 4. So this is the answer, 3 pi by 4. Now let's solve the 12th problem. Again, cos inverse of half. Cos inverse of half is going to be cos 60 degree, that is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos y, therefore y is pi by 3. So I'll write pi by 3. Then 2 sine inverse of half. Sine inverse of half is nothing but, you say it's y, that means sine y is equal to half, and half is nothing but sine 30. Sine 30 is pi by 6. So y is equal to pi by 6. So I'll write here pi by 6. So this is going to be 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So this is going to be 2 pi by 3. This is the answer. 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Now let's look at 13th problem. If sine inverse of x is equal to y, then we'll have to find out the range, right? So sine inverse of x is equal to y means sine y is equal to x. When I put sine the other side, it will become sine y is equal to x. So this means that y is equal to sine of some value which is within this range. What is the principal value branch? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. within this range is what you'll get the value of y. Y is in between this. So we'll write minus pi by 2 less than or equal to y and less than or equal to pi by 2. So between this minus and plus value, you will find this y value. So this is the right answer. Now we look at this 14th problem. Tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2 is equal to, so we'll have to solve this. Tan inverse of root 3 minus secant inverse of minus 2. We'll take separately. So tan inverse of root 3 is equal to y infers that tan y is equal to root 3. Now this means root 3 is nothing but tan 60. Tan 60 is pi by 3, which implies that y is equal to pi by 3. So this is nothing but pi by 3. Now we look at secant inverse of minus 2. Secant inverse of minus 2. This is falling in the cos group. And principal value branches 0 to pi and the value is negative here. So keep a watch on this cos group functions, right? If it's negative, you have to subtract from pi. So y is equal to secant inverse of minus 2, which means secant y is minus 2. This is equal to 2 is nothing but secant 60 degree. 60 degree is pi by 3. Notice there is minus here. So we'll have to subtract from pi. That is secant of pi minus pi by 3, which implies that y is equal to pi minus pi by 3. You take the LCM, so it will be 3 pi minus pi, which is 2 pi by 3. So this is going to be 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 is minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 is the answer, option B. So with this, we've come to the end of this particular topic. We will solve some more problems in the next video. If you have liked this video, do press a like and share it. Thank you.